Na Rade house by NOIZ architekti in Bratislava, Slovakia. The housing project, a family house for a young family of 4, had to be created on a relatively small plot of land in the Old Town of Bratislava near the locality Horský Park. We tried to carry out this task, which was also a challenge, sensitively in the context of the location, the surrounding development, and the existing development of the land. Originally, there were 2 buildings on site. In the upper part of the plot, there was a single-story family house, which shared a common gable wall with a neighboring building. In the lower part of the plot, behind the house, in the unpacked garden, there was a brick garden house, the perimeter walls of which defined the boundaries between 2 neighboring plots. After the initial polemic about the preservation of the original buildings, after re-evaluating the facts, analyzing the existing supporting structures and legislative possibilities, we decided to choose the path of new construction, but with a follow-up to the original solution. Thus, we were able to create an above-standard user value of housing for the investor on a small plot of land with a sensitive approach to the environment. The aim of the concept of the new building on the footprint of the original buildings was to try not to burden the plot and its surroundings in a stabilized area and to preserve the scale and character of the original development. After the analysis, we proceeded to 2 basic starting points. The first starting point of the solution represented the connection to the original mass of the objects, and the second resulting from this was the creation of a new layout scheme on their original footprint.